Hi guys! Good afternoon! Kamusta ang lahat? Welcome back to our channel! Kamusta? 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 Jake, say hello everyone! Hello everyone! Jake, hello everyone! Hello everyone! Hi! Kamusta? It's lunchtime po. Hello, hello, hello. What are you doing, Jacob? Shooting what are you doing? Wow. That's a can opener. Can opener. So, nagla-lunch po kami ngayon ni Jacob, guys. So, samahan niyo po kami sa panibagong mukbang na naman. Samahan nyo kami guys sa panibagong mukbang guys, no? Hope you like this video at sana nagutom din namin kayo, no? So, this is our bonding guys, magmami sa bahay lang, no? So, dahil lang nga kasi magay tayo ng phone, mahirap kanayan. Ha, we got some red sauce here or ketchup, tomato sauce. It's init. We got some roast chicken here. Roast chicken. Ayan. Roast chicken.
Move. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Watch out. Ito gonna get.
Watch out. Watch out.
Hindi ka. So, we got some grapes. Alright, and some rice. May bear si Mami. Bear. Hindi ka. Bear. Gang ini, guys. Sa may gusto palang magyaya dyan na inuman sa akin, guys. Any cider na fruits. Yan, game ako dyan. Game. Basta any cider lang na fruits. Flavor. Yan. Game ako dyan. Okay? Yan lang yung makaya ko. Pero mga spirit, no way. Any lang. Basta any cider lang with na fruits. Fruity. Walang problema, no?
Go back.
What are you doing, Baba? Oh dear, look. Oh, what happened na, oh. Oh no.
Play.
Yan. So, buksan na natin to, be. Let me borrow, please. The Mama will give back to you, okay? Right. Buksan ni Mama ang bear. No? So, any cider, guys. Baka may gustong magyaya din sa akin ng inuman. Any cider with fruit. Hindi, it's dangerous. Hara lang mo. No. Dangerous yan. So, bear, guys. Bear. Cider bear. Right. Nag-wash na ako ng kamay. So, let's start it, guys. Let's start. Right. Umpisa tayo dito sa... Oh. Eat your food, Baba.
Drink. It's on drink.
There's beer, Baba. Where's your juice?
Drink.
That's not for children, that's for adult. Off table, please. Cheers, guys. Bear, cider bear.
Cheers.
Sarap.
Cheers.
Bear na bear talaga. Diferensya lang may lasang prutas. Hindi, liga. 8% guys, alcohol. 8.2% ng alcohol. Dalawa lang ng ganito guys. Ano na ako? Enough na. Hindi ah. Hindi.
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
Ito lunch mo, oh. Rice lang dali, rice. Rice na yan, rice. Ay, off na Mama TV. Bye, Cocomelon. It's your food. I-off ko na ka ng mga Cocomelon mo, ha? Kung hindi ka kumain. Kain food. It's your food. Ganang-ganang, guys. Ano din yung lunch na kaso may sabaw? Sabaw. Hindi na yaga. Hindi na.
Drink. Drink.
Hindi na gani. That's mommy's bear, baba. That is for adult. Naog, please. Naog. Listening to mommy. Naog, please. And guys, it's not nice yung upo ka dyan. That's what I said. Accident always happen when you sit on the table, Jack. Not listening to mommy. Dahil lang guys ha. Diyan muna kayo, kunan ko lang ng gatas to. Nantok na kasi to eh. Maya matulog na yan. Stay there. Can you get your, okay. You want your cold water or cold juice? Jake?
Mommy's bed.
Hindi lang gang, please. Nao, please.
No.
Nao.
No.
Please, nao.
No.
Nao.
No.
It's not nice. Listen to mommy. You want your drink? Pare na. Oh, you just here, dali ah. Here. Go. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Ito na ito. No, you have to finish it first, then juice. Okay? Good boy. Take off ni Mamang TV. O Mamang TV. May makulit kasi guys. Pasensya na. Naka-apat naman siya na subo. Okay na yan. Dami siya kasi na snacks since morning. Napaka-crunchy guys. Hindi makita ang sauce ko. Okay. Malutong siya kasi tinagalan ko siya sa oven. Kain tayo guys. So, hindi pa pala guys nakadikit dyan sa amin guys ha. O subscribe, no? Bisita na po kayo sa amin na subscribe. Nagbibigay kami guys ng unlimited WH o kaya play all. Mga playlist. Kung gusto nyo maka-avail, alert na kayo sa aming mga live stream, no? Dapat nakikita kayo namin lagi sa live stream namin na pumupunta, okay? Kasi guys, after ng aking live stream, ililista ko yung mga pumunta, no? At ang lagi namin nakikita na tumatambay. Nililista ko yan lagi. Every time mag-LS ko, LS kami, naglilista po ako ng pangalan ng mga laging tumatambay. Then, tapos nga ako mag-LS, pinupuntahan ko yan sa mga bahay-bahay nila at binibigyan ko ng only WH or play all kung mga playlist nila. Bilang pasalamat, no? Kaya guys, alert kayo guys. Kung gusto niyo makarami ng WH guys, which is the very important. Two things na very important dito sa YT na kailangan natin iabutin. Yung ating WH at saka saging. Tama? Kung sa saging, meron naman kami 4 na maibigay sa inyo. No? 4 ang makakuha nyo sa amin agad. No? Then unlimited na WH o, diba? Saan pa kayo? Marami na po kaming nabigyan ng WH guys. Mga big at saka small YouTuber. Mga monetize na ang iba ngayon eh. So kung gusto nyo maka-avail, ang gawin nyo lang is alert lang, punta-punta lang kayo sa aming mga live stream, no? At mag-iwan lang ng tamang bakas at dikit-dikit tamsak, importante. Alam nyo yung tamsak ibig sabihin? Ayan. Like. Ang pinaka-paborito kong party ng manok guys or baboy guys, yung malapit sa buto. Cheers!
Mom's bed. Mom's bed. Mom's bed.
Mom's bear.
Mom's drink. Mom's bed. Mom's bed. Mom's bed.
Mom's bear. Bear na bear talagang lasa. First time ako nakatry itong brand na to eh.
Buster.
First time ko ito na-try yung brand na to ha.
Glass. Glass.
8%, 8.2% ng
It's a
alcohol.
glass. Glass. Glass.
More rice na rin.
Glass.
More rice.
Glass.
Lasa. Very good lasa. So, oven lang yan, walang oil yan guys. Ha. Ha.
Ito.
Ha lang yun. Oil oh, ha. Chicken.
Try. Hot, hot.
Sarap. Good boy. Sarap. Sure.
Mommy, awi. Ma awi. Ma awi. Ma awi.
Awi-awi ah. Hindi awi-awi. Awi-awi. Bisyo. Sarap. Thank you Lord for the blessing.
Looks up.
Thank you Lord. Okay guys, bye. Cheers. Bye!
Mama's
Thanks for
bear.
watching. God bless you all. Bye. Ay, chin up. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thank you.